If you can listen to audio or video file and type out whatever you hear, then you have a skill that can pay you really good money every month. In this video, I want to show you 3 entry-level transcription companies that hire beginners who have no transcription experience. What this means is that you can apply for these jobs today and be accepted as a transcriptionist. All you need is take the test and pass it. They don't ask about your years of experience. They don't care so much about your location. All they need to know is that you can do the job and deliver the results in due time. I will show you 3 of these companies. I will talk about their test, how difficult or easy it is to pass the test. I will talk about their pay rate, how much you can earn per audio minute you transcribe. I will talk about the job availability, how often you can get jobs on this site once you pass the test. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 entry-level transcription companies that are currently hiring, which means you can apply for those jobs today. After watching this video, talk about payment method, various ways they pay transcriptionists, and finally I will talk about who can apply and where you can apply from. You see, this is a comprehensive video on transcription jobs and it's for beginners. So grab your pen and paper and pay rapt attention. Let's explore them. The first transcription company on my list is GoTranscript. GoTranscript is hiring right now, which means you can apply for the job today, pass the test, and you become a transcriptionist with GoTranscript. And the best part is, GoTranscript is worldwide, means you can apply from wherever you are in the world. To be accepted into GoTranscript, you have to take a short test. GoTranscript test is average. It's not very difficult. It's not very easy too. So once you put in the work, you will pass the test and then you'll be accepted. Pay rates. GoTranscript pays an average of $0.6 per audio minute. Now let me make something clear to you. When we talk about audio minute or audio hour, we are simply talking about the length of the file, not necessarily how long you spent working on it. So if you work on a file that is 1 hour, you're going to be paid based on the length of the video, not how long you spent watching the video. And on the average, transcriptionists spend 3 to 4 hours transcribing a 1 hour file. Now this should give you an idea of what it takes to get the work done. Of course, this depends on how fast you are and your level of experience as a transcriptionist. Payment method. GoTranscript pays via PayPal or Payoneer. So you need to have a PayPal or Payoneer account. In case you don't have a PayPal account yet, here is a video that will guide you on how to create a PayPal account for yourself. I'll drop the link in the description of job availability. From what I gathered, there's a lot of job on GoTranscript. So once you sign up and you pass your test, you'll always have a lot of jobs to work on. Second on my list is Rev. Rev is the dream of every transcriptionist. Yeah, and that's because it's highly rated and it pays well too. At the moment, Rev is hiring. Unfortunately, it's not open for everybody. Rev used to be a worldwide transcription company until recently they restricted it to a few countries. So here are the countries that are accepted on Rev: Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the US, the UK, South Africa, and Ireland. So if you are from any of these countries listed, you can go on and apply on Rev. Once you pass the test, you start working immediately. The Rev test is a bit difficult, which means you have to really put in the work, you have to study, follow the guidelines, and you may have to try a couple of times before you pass the test. This wasn't so, but over time, people started posting answers to Rev questions on websites and even on videos, on YouTube videos. I guess that was why Rev made the test a bit difficult. That doesn't mean it's impossible. You may have to try a couple of times before you pass the test. Pay rate. Rev pays between $0.4 to $1 per audio minute. So you see, it pays better than most of the transcription companies out there. Job availability, it's very high. There's always a lot of jobs you can take on Rev. So if you sign up and pass the test, you are guaranteed of consistent job. You will always have a lot of tasks to work on. Payment method. Rev pays via PayPal. So you need to have a functional PayPal account for you to collect your money, and they pay every week. The third transcription company on my list is Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me hires worldwide, which means you can apply from anywhere you are in the world. And they are currently hiring. About their test, the test is a little difficult. You have to prepare adequately, follow all the rules and guides. And in case you didn't get it the first time, don't give up. You may have to try a couple of times until you're able to pass the test. Pay rate. Transcribe Me pays between $0.25 to $0.36 per audio minute. Payment method, pays via PayPal. Here is a link to apply for Transcribe Me. If you're looking for more transcription jobs you can apply for, here is another video that will guide you on how to do that. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.